Hello, guys. If you are seeing this video, you are chosen by the universal consciousness. So, just we are on 24 December. We are doing a very amazing project to help the two old age home and the one shelter home and the 200 plus orphan kids home, Survi Foundations and all this organization. So, just to support this project, we are coming out with the beautiful 6 days, 15 minutes workshop. And the name of the workshop is Declutter Your Life in 7 easy steps. Please remember that you will never get your place of purpose by living in the chaos. Ask yourself, is there is a chaos? Chaos at the body level, mind level, soul level, whatever is there. In this 16 days live 15-minute workshop will be achieved. Is that your home full of junk? How to declutter your home? Get rid of the stinking thinking, the bad thinking, that is declutter your mind. How to declutter your mind? Are your relationship holding you back, or your friends are very dirty, or the friendship is holding you back? How to declutter that relationship? Then how are you managing your time? How to declutter your day? Lot of time you told, oh, I don't have time, I don't have time, but you like you are doing some lot of unproductive work. And if you really take a stock of it, you will find out how to manage your time. Does your desk look like a trash or heap? How to declutter your work area? That is very, very important. 6 points. Are you trying to do too many things? We commit so many yes to everybody. Saying the yes for everything is the biggest disease in the world. We say the yes to everybody and then we just repent and we are not able to perform. And then we just lost our commitment authenticity. If you really want to declutter your commitments, please join this workshop. Maintain your declutter life. These are the 7 points we are going to cover in the 6 days. And this workshop is going to be change your life for sure. So this is mainly for the purpose of the society. This is fundraising project actually for these people to support their food and everything. Please listen both the videos, and if you are connected to that one, please do the registration with this 99 rupees link. Only 99 rupees I am asking to feed at least one kid at least for one day. But if you want to do more than that one, the link is open. You can pay as much as you want. And please share this message to your all the friends and family and just create the positivity in this world. You require a lot of positive people to create a lot of positivity in this world, because we are going to that one. Sarve bhavanta sukhina, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu ma kashit dukkha bhag bhavet. If you're feeling this one, please share this one, and God bless you all. Take care. Thank you.